we're heading to Caribbean. 3 more days of this before we can land. Wow, me, ganyan pala yan, oh.
Kaya pala maraming batang sumasakay dito.
What?
Yeah, ang daming laruan eh.
Yeah, I know, look at that, oh.
Las Vegas lang yung
Doon ba sa taas, oh?
Sa Las Vegas lang yung ano ito. Sa
Dito ka na,
circus.
dito ka na.
Mas
Yeah.
ano na ito.
Kaya kinukunan ko siya, me, oh, para makita ng mga viewers, they can find that this place, the carnival, is for the kids. Family ship, right? For the family. So come on down and join the carnival. Sunshine from Norfolk, Virginia to East Caribbean. Oh, look at that!
Puno na pala
Yeah. This is for the kids, with the family, with the kids, because they're gonna be enjoying this beautiful water park. It's splash zone. Wow.
Siana, no?
Oh, si Siana, wow. Kaya Siana and Annalyn will enjoy this. Oh, panitong bata pala ito.